Welcome, Clean Fuel Mayatan.
Clean Fuel started here in Quezon City. In fact, dito sa Quezon City, talagang napakalaki yung area at hindi natin pwedeng pabayaan. And we want to develop yung presence ng Clean Fuel dito sa Quezon City. And then, of course, in the entire Luzon and soon sa Mindanao.